So here we are, Sunday, July 13th. We're putting these casings on now onto the vertical poles. So not like we had described just last night, where we were going to get the full dirt leveled and then the slab and then these go on top. Nope. So we're doing it this way now. Hopefully at the end of the day these end up to be vertical, and then it would be great. Fine-tuned guy. Yeah, so they just they have like a S hook which goes in through one side, and then as it wraps around and they hammer it down tight, it just sucks it together. That's what it appears like. They've lined the inside maybe with I'd say like grease. Almost like it down the hole. Yeah. So the gravel truck came by this morning, came by the house. This is the other half of this one that they're putting up. $51 on the electricity now today. New sand pile, new gravel pile. Part that sticks out here is gonna be like the house is gonna come out like that, and that's where the bathtub is. And then it'll go up, of course, but this side will go in, so the bedrooms will be on two ends here. Bathrooms in between them. Sort of bathrooms be joining them. Let's be looking into the living room area, sort of along here and going back to there. That idea, it's going to be glass doors, and we haven't yet chosen if they're going to be the bifolding ones that go back, or like a 3-track where they all go back, so they'll all end up being over here and over there, but it'll open up this whole area. And then there'll be steps, like a 2 steps or 3, I don't know what it is from this building here, but a couple of steps to go up here. Then there'll be the ramp here as well, which goes up, and then it'll come in this area here where it's going to be where the door is and stuff. Well, this whole opening is the door. And here's going to be where the garage is. And up front there is the narrower area where the scooter can park, and there's going to be a door out the back. But right now the cars will come in here, and there's going to be an entrance into this area here. The kitchen's going to be all in the back there. Coming back here now, this part of the living room, kitchen, and dining area is going to be 2 stories high, or like the second story is going to be all opened up, and there'll be the windows on top, which you'll see in the picture, right? And then this side here, the stairs are going to be here, sort of going up to the second level. This is going to have a second level above it, which initially is just going to be one sort of giant room, but there will be 2 windows in it, I believe. 2 or 3. They're going to be the ones that... gables, that's it. There could be 3 gables on that side. I think one is going to be facing this way, and then 2 out to the side. But anyway, so it could be converted sort of like into... if you're using the bottom as a measuring stick, sort of, you could be like 3 or 4 bedrooms upstairs, or like 1 storage area at the back where there's no window, and then like 2 or 3 bigger bedrooms, or so we don't know. The bathrooms are going to be in the middle, so we can always plumb up to the second floor if we ever want to add a bathroom up there, or a dialysis machine, or I don't know what. I just know they require water. At least they did back in the 70s. Anyways, that's why all those rebars are sticking up, because that's going to be, they're going to be bent into where the stairs go, and then the stairs are going to climb up here. So, say goodbye to the bamboo. Goodbye, bamboo. It's not the proper way of pruning. That's the way they do it here, when the boss isn't around. Yeah, I guess they don't waterproof the cement here like before they backfilled either. I wonder why they don't do that. At home there'd be all that tar and shit. We're on an active construction site right now. They're feeding the buckets up to these guys. They're pouring them down the casings. This one's here, I think, look, they're cleaning off the casings. This one, they've taken the casing off. And these were just poured this morning. And this one as well. And they've wrapped them in saran wrap. The bucket brigade going this way. Making the turn. These three off at least, so they're finishing off holes 1, 2, and 3. So they're going vertical. But just the fact that they're stripping them down so fast. They must use quick dry cement or something. Big bucket of goop. Into there. And then just hand bomb it to the top. From a distance. Got the gravel guys, and the sand guys. This guy here doing on the casings. So update on the blue tubing. It is solid tubing, like not solid, but hollow obviously, but there's no holes in it. So then he's going to go around and drill a hole or puncture it or put a hole in it every 50 centimeters. And then that's going to allow leaching. So originally they were going to go with 2 bottles of gravity drain, but both the, I don't care what the guy here says, but the guy that drew the plans, he said no, it's better to have it pressurized. And so, as he seems to be the most logical headed guy around here, we're going to go pressurized. Everybody has their digits. No big deal. He's a good new guy. So he's lining up the bubble line with the scribed line. And then he's going to match the bubble line over on the second hole. Ideally, the 2 bubbles line up. Huh? So quick video here, Tuesday, January 15th in the evening, before 5 o'clock, after 4, guys are all gone. They're for their 2 days holidays now. So all of these casings now have been pushed up into their upper levels. I guess that's the way they do it. That's the way they do it. These have been brought up about a foot. I guess they use meters, half a meter. These have been brought up about a meter, half a meter, a couple meters. The first 3 that they undid, they wrapped in saran wrap. And then the next one they did as well, they wrapped that in saran wrap, and the rest, they just leave the cases on, I guess. Just push them up. So this one doesn't have many pins in it down here, just up at the top, the lock pins. So that's that. So this, looking a little more clear, you can see where the water line is for the cement in here, I'm guessing. Anyways, this will be the scooter area back in here. And we'll be able to bring it up the side of the house, or we might put a small access gate right here, don't know. And then it would come in the back door. And then this here is all car parking. Come over this way, up into the kitchen. Right here is like a study nook, dining area, dirty kitchen, regular kitchen, island in this area. Back corner is going to be a bedroom with a bathroom. This will be the kitchen sink and everything right here. So on the opposite is going to be the bathroom for this living area and for that bedroom. Then the master bedroom is here, and it's going to have the bathroom, the bathtub sticking out into the where the property goes out like that. And then the living room. This will be like a, what room am I in right now? I'm in the house already. Okay, so then the walkway is going to come. This is the garage here. Okay, so the walkway is going to come up this way, here, and then between these posts will be all windows, and they'll all open up to the living room. So I don't know if there's going to be like an actual like one main door and then all windows. They're going to be like, we don't know, maybe the bifolding ones that go back and forth and push all up this way and all up that way. So then in the living room, then this whole thing opens up. Hope you can't see my hand. This whole thing opens up. Over this way here is going to be the kitchen again. And right here will be the stairs that then go upstairs. So this part of the living room, dining room, kitchen, everything, it's all going to have like the 2-story roof. No interruption, just right up to the ceiling. There's going to be windows all across the top up there. And then once you go up the stairs here, which you're going to go up into that area there, then there's going to be, originally it was one big long room, and then we've decided maybe to actually put the bathroom, bedroom at the back. And because the bathrooms are right down below, we can pretty much just run the water straight up, the plumbing straight up, and put a bathroom upstairs. There are windows, one that goes out here, one that goes out here from upstairs, one out the front, I believe. And then this part of upstairs has a window. So here's the holes he's drilling. So nothing like he suggested. There's way more holes, which is good. Do you see that? Lots of holes. It's got a hole about every 10 centimeters, which is a little different than the half a meter he first suggested. So that's good. I can see product getting out of these ones now. This is all the bug, rodent stuff, not rodents, bugs and stuff.
15,
10 centimeters, 100 mil maybe. That big roller cage there, because once they get all the dirt up to level, then they're gonna make all this concrete. What do you think now?
Good.
Happy?
So far, so good. Yeah.
So far, so good. So here we are the morning of Wednesday, January 16th. So they're off for 2 days, and we're gonna head out of town. I think we're going north-ish. So I just thought I'd do a quick video of what they've done. So they've moved the forms to the upper part of the post now. Those ones they've raised up. And these ones are all, well, they're all at the higher level now. So I guess they can continue pouring when they get back to work. They've got the pegs in. I'm not sure exactly why, but they all line up. And this is the driveway here. The car garage is there. Little scooter area, workbench area is up front. Front of the house is here. These are the windows that open up into the living room, bedrooms, bathrooms.